Hi, hello, it's Chitty, and today we're making lollipops. Well, not this. These. For your supplies, you're going to need glue sticks, a glue gun, 2 bowls per lollipop, white spray paint, something metallic and sharp that you don't mind discarding, a candle, and a lighter. You're going to need a broomstick from Dollar Tree, cellophane, which is like a clear wrapping paper, and some tape. The greatest part about this project is that most of these pieces can be found at Dollar Tree. Step 1, we're going to glue 2 of our bowls together. We're going to put glue on the rim of one bowl, and then stack the other one on top and apply a little bit of pressure. Step 2 is to take off the handle off the broomstick and then put it on top of the lollipop. Take a writing utensil and outline the circumference of the broomstick. This makes it easier for us to know where and how big to cut. Step 3, be careful, because you're dealing with a sharp and a hot object here, okay? Don't hurt yourself. We don't want that. Here, we're gonna take our sharp object and stick into the fire. This is to heat up the metal, so it makes it easier to cut into the lollipop. And you're gonna have to repeatedly stick it into the candlelight and apply it back onto the lollipop, because it will cool down, which makes it very hard to cut through the plastic. And be careful not to add too much pressure while you're cutting, because you can crack the bowl. It's not gonna mess up anything visually, like if you look at it from afar, and it will be covered up with wrapping paper, so you won't see it for the most part, but still, we're trying to avoid cracks. Step 4 is to spray paint your broomstick white. Now, I know I have this as step 4, but honestly, the best thing to do is to do this first. Why? Because again, waiting for the paint to dry will take the longest time, and you can't finish the rest of your project without this. So learn from my mistakes. Step 5 is to glue down the stick. Now when you do this, the twisted edge should be inside of the lollipop. Just apply hot glue to that edge and then stick it down into the lollipop. And be careful with how you hold it, because if you don't hold it straight, it's not gonna stay straight once you let go of it. After that, go ahead and apply some hot glue around the edge of the circle that you cut out. This is going to help to secure the stick to the lollipop. Step 6, we're making the wrapper. Now in this step, you're going to roll out about 2 to 3 feet of cellophane. Try to make sure that your lollipop is in the middle. Cut the edge of the paper and then wrap it up. Try to add some folds while you're wrapping the lollipop. I did this and it helped to make the lollipops look a little bit more factory made. And after you've packed everything tightly, go ahead and grab your tape and wrap it around. And then you're done. How fast was that? This was a super fast DIY, and honestly it was pretty fun too. I ended up making 6 of them, and I think I might make more. If you like this video, go ahead and give me a like. If you have any questions or comments, leave them in the comment section. And don't forget to subscribe. Alrighty, I'll see you next time.